great finds on Amazon. I needed a little bit of extra space because I just moved and my kitchen is really small, doesn't have a countertop, and this was the purpose why I got this, and also because I didn't let go of some of my babies. They didn't fit anywhere. I couldn't find anything like this that had the space for my Ninja. I just had to not put the middle shelf because I use this a lot, so I needed to be handy. And some of my clay pots that I brought from Brazil, they're huge, so they fit there perfectly, and I still have some room. And the drawers are great. I haven't really filled them up yet with what I want, but really nice, very mobile. And oh, there's a little thing here for your towel, your kitchen towel. I love it. I was just sad about this here, but everything else came perfect, very easy to assemble. Everything comes with a number, and screws as well. I built it myself. The only thing was at the end I put this.
Okay, so this is our old island. It's 43 inches wide, and this is the new one.